Welcome back to Retirement News Online. A Go Banking Rates survey has found that 66% of Americans are actually afraid of running out of money in retirement, making it their biggest fear related to entering that stage of life. They fear it more than actually dying. Now, how do you know if you've saved enough in retirement? Here to help answer that question is Bill Rohac with NLS Insurance in Las Vegas, Nevada. So Bill, thanks for talking with us today. What do you think is contributing to all this fear of running out of money?
Well, Scott, people, it's been said fear is false, evidence appears real. And what is it? John F. Kennedy says the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. But when it comes to retirement, I think there's reality to it. Obviously, we're living longer. We have taxation. We have expenses that come up that we didn't expect. But I think the fear is actually maybe not so much running out of money, which is obviously the byproduct, is maybe missing the things in life because you don't have the money. And obviously, what we'll do in life is if we see our savings diminish, what we'll do is we'll start restricting our lifestyle. So I think it's a real fear that people have, but I think they're afraid of missing out what their golden years has for them.
So I think a lot of pre-retirees think about the savings number that they need to hit to retire. But would you agree that the most important consideration is really how much income they actually need in retirement, right?
That is correct, Scott. Income, knowing what you have coming in, gives you peace of mind. And if you have a large sum amount of money and it's not put in the proper investments or vehicles, that lump sum or that amount of money can be negatively affected. So I think it's very important to make sure that your money is put into the proper instrument in order to provide the proper income. And if you have the proper income, then you're going to be in a much better case scenario when it comes to retirement.
You know, for the average person, pensions are largely a thing of the past. Now, what other strategies can replace the guaranteed income a pension, for example, provides?
Well, I'm fortunate because I have the opportunity to work with a lot of public sector employees, and they still do have pensions, which is a blessing. But like you said, Scott, the majority of people don't have pensions any longer. And one way to go ahead and have a, like you said, guarantee is utilizing a life insurance policy, or actually more specifically, an annuity. Annuities provide security. They can provide that income to last for the rest of your life, or it can provide for a defined period of time. Really, how it's designed and the income and whether it's sufficient enough is actually up to you.
And then how does somebody know if they have the right advisor working on their behalf?
Wow. I will say two things: pride and trust. So for me, I don't want the smartest person in the room or in the market or in the industry as my advisor. I want somebody that I can trust. And in addition to that, I want somebody who doesn't have pride. And why? Because if they have a team behind them that they can reference back to and help them select the best product or the different options that are available for my clients, that's the type of person that I'd like as my advisor. And I think that's the best advisor that suits most people's needs. And I think that's their best choice.
That was Bill Rohac with NLS Insurance in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thanks for watching Retirement News Online.